In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a journal entry in Freshbooks. We'll walk through the exact screens you'll use and what each field means so you can record clean, balanced entries with confidence. Start on your Freshbooks dashboard. From here, open Settings, then head into Advanced Preferences. Find the Accounting section and turn on Advanced Accounting. This unlocks the journal entry feature. If you manage multiple users or subscriptions, just make sure you have the right permissions to switch this on. Once Advanced Accounting is enabled, go to Accounting, then select Journal Entries. Click Create Journal Entry to open a new record. At the top, set the date. Use the actual transaction date, even if you're entering it later, so your reports reflect the correct period. Next, give the entry a clear name. Think of this as a quick label you can recognize later, like prepaid insurance adjustment or owner contribution. Add a number. Many teams use a simple sequential numbering system. Consistency helps with audit trails and future searches. Confirm the currency. If you work with multiple currencies, choose the one that matches the transaction. Then add a concise description. This is your narrative. Summarize the why behind the entry, referencing any relevant invoice, receipt, or context so anyone reviewing your books understands the purpose. Now add your lines. For each line, choose the account, then enter either a debit or a credit amount. Remember, every journal entry must balance. Total debits must equal total credits. As a quick refresher, asset and expense accounts generally increase with debits, while liability, equity, and income accounts generally increase with credits. If you're reclassifying an expense, for example, you might credit one expense account and debit another. Use. Add a line to include as many accounts as needed to reflect the transaction accurately. As you enter amounts, watch the totals. If they don't balance, FreshBooks will prevent saving until they do. Take a moment to double-check account selections and the description for clarity. A few extra words now can save time when you or your accountant reviews this later. When everything looks good, date, name, number, currency, description, accounts, and balanced amounts, click Save. Your journal entry is now recorded and will roll into your financial reports. That's it. You've enabled advanced accounting, navigated to journal entries, created a detailed entry, balanced your debits and credits, and saved it properly. Thanks for watching, and keep your books tidy by documenting each entry with clear descriptions and consistent numbering.